Hello everyone, in this video we are going to learn how we can implement splash screen in Flutter. So let's get started. So here I have created a Flutter project in which we are going to make a splash screen. For that we have to install a package called Flutter Native Splash. So we will copy this line inside our pubspec.yaml file under the dependencies tag. So we have pasted this line under dev dependencies because dev dependencies are packages that you use during developing your app, and these are not included in your application while compiling. Now we have to copy this line and have to paste inside pubspec.yaml file. It contains too many parameters, but we are not going to use them all, so I will simply remove the additional code. Now the image parameter accepts an image path. So for the image path, we have a folder named asset in which I have added an image. So I am going to pass that image in this parameter, but before using anything from the asset folder, we have to uncomment these two lines. Now we are good to go. Now I am going to replace the image name with my image, which is flutter.png. Now if we want to use only image, then we can remove these lines. So I am going to remove these lines and instead I will pass true. Now we will run a command that we will find in the documentation. This command will replace default splash screen by our custom splash screen. We will remove this flavor tag and run the command. As you can see, our native splash screen has been created successfully. Now we will run the app to see if everything is working fine. As you can see, our native splash screen is working fine. That's it for today's video. We hope you find this tutorial helpful and informative. Stay tuned for more Flutter tips and tricks.